Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be all about my top spring perfumes. Got a lot of affordable and also high end, so let's get into it. Alright, we're going to go through these in no particular order. These are all of my favorite perfumes that I love to wear in the springtime, and because it is like pre-spring, I want to go ahead and give these to you guys so you can go ahead and get these ordered or go into Sephora or Ulta to get your nose on these. So let's get started. The first one is Petra by Lattafa. I've talked about this perfume so many times, y'all. I absolutely love this perfume. I have not put it to use this fall and winter because I've been saving it for the springtime. The most prominent notes in this is the tuberose. I believe it has some praline in it. It is such a good scent. Okay, so Petra is like a super boozy type of scent. It's perfect to transition from the daytime to the nighttime. That's why I feel like it's perfect for spring. It has a rum and a tuberose note in this. Honestly, I've seen mixed reviews on Petra, but when I tell you, I love her down and she gets so many compliments every single time I wear it. And plus, the bottle. The bottle is gorgeous. It's giving like Italy, okay? I love wearing it to church and I love wearing it to run errands, and especially on date night. My husband loves this one on me. It is so good. Next up is Miss Bianco Latte. Y'all, this one went viral on the internet probably 2 years ago, and I was late on a bandwagon because I'm not really a huge edible gourmand type of girl. I like vanillas but not like to smell edible. If it smells like a bakery, miss me with it. I don't really care for that. However, Bianco Latte is my cup of tea. This is giving like grown vanilla sexy vibes. I really feel like this is perfect for year round, but I haven't been reaching for it like I would want to in the fall and winter, so I'm definitely going to bring her out in the spring. Every time I wear this one, I get compliments as well. This has notes of caramel and a musk base to it, and of course a vanilla note. It's very lactonic, creamy. It's such a good one. I feel like this is good for daytime and nighttime as well, which makes it perfect for springtime. And if you don't want to spend the money on the expensive one, you can also go for the dupe, and I've talked about this one plenty of times, but here's the dupe of it. Either way I go, if you want to get this one or this one, you'll do good, but this one, oof, I love the scent profile of Bianco Latte. Next up is Cherry Bouquet by Afnan. I own all of the ones that are like this, and as you can see, I put a little dent in her. This is the dupe to Tom Ford Lost Cherry, and I have that one in the travel size, and honestly I'd rather this one over that. It lasts longer, it smells better, it projects, it's blended beautifully. It's just a really good cherry scent, and when I think of spring scents, I think of like fruity floral type scents, light, airy for the daytime, and then like boozy and deep like the Petra for the nighttime. That's just my interpretation of spring scents, and Cherry Bouquet hits the mark on all of those. I think it's perfect for daytime and nighttime. I'm gonna read it off to you. It has notes of black cherry, cherry liqueur, almond top, plum, rose. I love a plum note. As you know, Petra had plum in it. Patchouli, love patchouli note when it's done right. I always say that when I say I like patchouli, if it's done right. Vetiver and a vanilla base. It smells like a bunch of juicy cherries that is wrapped up into a romantic rose. It's such a beautiful scent. It is, and it's super affordable. I'd highly recommend you check this one out. Next up is my baby. This is Lattafa Yara, specifically the Elixir. This is the grown and sexy version of the light pink of the Yara that went viral on TikTok. This is the newest one from Lattafa, y'all, and when I tell you, when I wear this, people are like, what are you wearing? And I'm just like, y'all, it's just like a $30 perfume, but it smells so high end, y'all. I am telling you, this Yara is done. It's not juvenile. Not saying, I feel like the pink Yara is more, I don't want to say kiddish, but more like 20s. This is giving, she done been through some things, and she know what she doing now. That's what this one is giving. The Yara one is cute and fun for daytime, and also I think good for springtime because it's super light, but I like this one better. I like this one better. It has the same DNA of the light pink Yara, but just a little bit more deeper and boozier. Let's get into the notes. It has strawberry s'mores, a black currant top, jasmine, orange blossom, and the base notes are vanilla, caramel, amber, and musk. Duh. It's a fruity floral gourmand, so it kind of mixes all of the categories. It's rich and addictive, which I can agree to that. It's the elevated Yara of the pink one to me, in my humble opinion. Y'all remember, fragrance is subjective, and what I like you may not like. So look in your collection, see what you have, look up all the notes that are in the perfumes that you already have that you love, and that's how you can tell what your scent profile is of what you're geared toward. That's what I had to do when I first started following the perfumes. I was like, wait, perfumes have a note? I used to just smell it and be like, oh, I like it, or no, I don't like it. Now there's a science behind it. Well, I'm just saying there's been a science behind it. I just didn't know it until I started studying more perfumes and building my collection. And most of our perfumes are kind of blind bought. So it's important to know what scent profiles you like and what notes you like. So when a perfume come out, you can look at it and see, oh, these are the notes that I like. And you can know if you like the perfume or not. It may not always be like that, but that's a good start to know what your scent profile is. So that's what this one goes into, fruity, floral, gourmand type of scents. All right, next up is my baby. This is my baby. I'm basically almost out. Y'all see that, girl? I need to buy another bottle. This is Afnan Mystique Bouquet, and the bottles are beautiful. All of the bottles in the collection looks just like this, and this one is the spin-off, the dupe of Perfumes Mentioned Valaya perfume. I don't own it. I've never smelled the original, but when I tell you I have Skin Potion dupe to it, and also this. And I've swatched reviews of the dupes, and everybody that has both of them, well, the two that I saw, said that this is the best one too. There's another one in a white bottle, but I don't know if I want to buy that one next, because this one is just so good. This has Lily of the Valley in it, and this is what drew me to this perfume. So let's get into the notes. It has white peach, mandarin, bergamot, lychee, orange blossom, vetiver, peony, ambroxan, musk, vanilla, oak, moss, and lily of the valley. This is so good. It also has ambroxan in it, but can't tell you how ambroxan smells. Y'all, I've worn this. I've been obsessed with this. I've worn this to the doctor's office. I've worn this to church. I wore this when I worked a 9 to 5. It's so good. It's so good. To me, I feel like it's giving like a spring, airy, like your skin but better floral type of vibes. It's just so good. So the best description of what this is telling me, and I'm gonna just agree with it, Mystique Boutique opens juicy, fresh like spring. I told you it smells like spring. Sprinkle core with peach and sweet citrus, and it dries down to a sweet orange blossom peony, and it leaves an elegant trail. Yeah. It just smells good. It smells really good, and it does. I do agree that it leaves a nice scent trail and a scent bubble, because again, when I wear it, people ask me like, what are you wearing? And then I talked about this in the vlog, because I'm like, I don't know that I'm gonna say Mystique Boutique by Afnan. It's just easy to say Valaya, because they can go Google Valaya, but then I feel bad because I'm like, I ain't pay Valaya prices, so I don't want to go pay Valaya, but this is the dupe to it. So this is done so good. Like, this is my first Afnan purchase, and then as you can see, I brought all the ones after this because it's a masterpiece. It's done beautifully. All right, next up is Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia. Y'all, every spring, this is my spring scent. Every spring. I've been having this specific bottle for 3 years now. And I don't think you can hear it, but if you could see, I probably have about this much left in the bottle. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to buy another bottle this year. It has lasted me. I really only wear this in the spring, and I really only wear this during the daytime. I also got the intense version. The intense version is for winter and my nighttime, because it's the same DNA of this one. It's a light, airy floral. It's a straight floral scent. To me, I don't get no gourmand, no sweetness to it. I just get straight flowers, but it's done so good. Now my only thing about this is that it does not last long. Okay, I can probably get 3 to 4 hours of this on my skin, maybe 5 on my clothes. Like, it clocks out way too early for the price of this, but I love the scent profile. I love the DNA of this. It has white gardenia, jasmine, and pear blossom. I like orange blossom, but pear blossom is good too, because I think this is the only perfume that has that scent to it. I don't know. It just smells like a whole bunch of like nice florals, but not like stinky flowers. Like, it smells good. Definitely go into Dillard's. Ulta has it. If you have a Saks and Fifth Avenue Neiman Marcus, definitely go in and get your nose on this. I got the big bottle, but it does come in different sizes of it, and I brought this actually with the gift set, so it came with the small mini, the travel size as well, and I use the travel size up like it was nothing. But I've been trying to hold on to this as long as I can, but it is time for a new bottle, because you know, sometimes with perfumes, the longer you have them, the more they masquerade, the stronger they get. And this one hasn't gotten stronger to me, but I still love it. I still love the scent profile. It's so good.
You smell good in here.
Thank you, babe. You smell perfume?
I love you.
I love you too.
Baby.
Yeah. I'm your
sorry.
baby.
I'm sorry. Bye.
Bye. Oh, I love my husband. Okay. Back to the perfume, girl. Next up is Jo Malone. This is English Pear and Freesia cologne. Jo Malone. I was gifted this in PR, the smaller bottle, like 2 years ago. And they sent me 2 bottles. It was this one and then the other one that I got my husband. And he is, girl, it smells so good on him. That's what I like about this Jo Malone. These are unisex scents. What he wears doesn't smell good on me. And this doesn't smell good on him. Kind of crazy. But every time he wears the other one, I'm not gonna go to that one. It smells so good. It's always in my top colognes for men because it smells so good on my man. However, on this one for a woman, this smells like spring in a bottle. If you like pear, this is a fruity floral to me. Of course, it's fruit and a floral. Freesia, which is Freesia a flower? I don't know, but it smells so good, y'all. Okay, so this one has pear, Freesia, and patchouli. No wonder. It's a crisp pear scent, perfect for daytime. I think I would layer it with for nighttime to make it more nighttime, date night appropriate. It's not like a deep oozy scent, but it's definitely like a light, airy scent. Running errands, going to pick up the kids, going on a walk. Just a daytime scent. Going to brunch, that's what this type of scents that I would wear for the springtime. And this one definitely will be one that I will have in rotation this spring. All right, girl, let's wrap this up. We're almost done. Next up is Phlur. This is the mood ring, y'all. And as you can see, I need to start using her a little bit more. But I have put her to use. I've worn it a couple of times. This is definitely one that I would say for spring, summer. I think I would even say this one leans more for spring, summer transition. Like more into the summer months because it's such a bright scent. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Okay, so this one has citrus, floral, amber. It's definitely bright and playful, which is what I get out of it. Okay, so it has amber, citrus, and gentle petals, which I don't know what that is, but I'm assuming that means floral. It's a fruity floral scent. Definitely more of the spring, summer. Like Sheree said. Spring, summer, September is what this is giving. It smells really, really good. I've worn this a couple of times. I didn't get a lot of compliments on it, but I do feel like it's a very playful scent, but not juvenile. Daytime playful is what I get out of this. It's good. I think it smells good on its own. I'm a lover of Phlur. Phlur is going to always be in my collection because even if I wasn't on a PR list, they would be in my collection because they are just so good. Next up, we have Flora Majesty by Kayali. This has notes of juicy pear, sweet peach, rose royale, pink peony, violet wood, and purple musk. I've talked about this a couple times because this is my strongest, longest lasting perfume from Kayali. It projects, it gets compliments. I brought it in the travel size, used it all up. I was like, give me the big bottle. And plus the bottle is so beautiful. I've worn it a couple of times since I've gotten it, and again, I get compliments when I wear this one. It smells very floral, like, to me, and that's why I think florals are perfect for the springtime, because you think of like blossoming flowers. Well, I do. That's what I think about, blossoming flowers and all of that. It smells it smells amazing. It smells amazing, and I'm so happy that I have this in my collection. So the notes on this one is rose, white florals. Let me calm down. Oh, okay, I read the notes to them already. What am I doing? It's on the back of the packaging. Duh, Adrianne. It's definitely just a romantic floral is what I can put out of this, the Flora Majesty. It's really good. If you don't want to spend the money on this size bottle, definitely go into Sephora. I always say that. I'm not going to tell y'all to go blind buy. I will tell you the ones that are worthy to blind buy. But again, perfume is subjective. And this one you need to get your nose on in Sephora. I think that's on face. Yeah, because it's not an Ulta. Definitely need to get your nose on it because I think you'll like it. Okay, next up is Henry Rose. This is Flora Carnivora, okay? Henry Rose, they can't do no wrong, okay? They cannot do any wrong. I own 3 of their fragrances. This is such a clean, this is for my clean girls. If you want to get fresh out the shower, clean, you don't want to smell like, you don't want to smell sweet, you don't want to smell floral, you just want to smell like soap. Like clean soap is what I get out of this. So that's why I included it in this. But I do feel like it's a heavy hitter. It's not like a light clean scent. Like when you, I wouldn't wear this like on a plane, because to me this is like a beast mode clean scent. It's so good. It's so good. So this one has orange flower, jasmine, and tuberose. It has white florals, bright orange flowers with a bold, heavy scent, of course, because I told you I think this is a heavy hitter. It's good. I definitely think that they have a travel and they have the mini bottles of it. I think I've worn this twice, but I think this is a musky scent. So this falls in the musk category, but not like stanky musk. Like it's a clean musk. If you like clean scents, this one gonna be your girl. You're gonna like this one. I promise you will like it. And last but not least, I'm going to end it on a sweet note. Now I'm including this one because I wanted to give you guys an affordable version, but if you want to be bougie, then go get the original. I have the original in my collection, but I like the dupe a little bit better. And the next perfume is Pink Blush. I'm not gonna even try to, yes I will, Shams Al Emarat Kasasi. Definitely butchered that name, but the packaging is so good. But the packaging is cute, but what the juice is what matters, y'all. This is the dupe to Yum Bougie Marshmallow by Kayali. When I tell you guys this smells the exact same, it's a strawberry marshmallow scent. Definitely a fruity gourmand scent, okay? I love when people wear this around me. It smells so good. I can point this perfume out. This marshmallow, it smells like literally a strawberry wrapped into whipped cream and marshmallows on top of it. That's what this smells like, with a little bit of vanilla drizzled on top, like vanilla bean paste drizzled on top. That's my imagination if I had to imagine this perfume on paper or like an edible scent. Like that's what it is. That's what it is. This is beautiful. I think it's perfect for daytime and night, but I would layer it like a deeper intense scent for nighttime to make it kind of like you know, this is like, oh, and this is like if you layer it, like I would layer this. What I want to layer this with is Gucci Flora the Intense with this. I know I'm gonna eat down when I go on, my husband take me out on a date, I'm gonna wear that, and I'm telling you, I know it's gonna smell so good. However, on her own she smells really good, so I definitely think you need to check this out if you like fruity floral, fruity gourmand scents. That's what this category falls under, and this one was done really good. Again, I have both of them. I wouldn't repurchase the Yum Bougie. I would just go straight for this because it's the same DNA. This one actually lasts longer because Kayali is known for not lasting long, but she does have unique DNAs, and they did a good job duping that one. I don't know how that's not illegal, but they did a very good job duping it. All right, you guys, that is all of my spring scents that I highly recommend that you check out, that I will have on rotation this spring. I hope this helped in any way. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite scents are. And that's it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel on your way out. I will have everything linked down below and in the video for YouTube shopping to shop in the app. Or if you're watching me on the screen, hey girl, scan this QR code and you can it'll take you to my LTK, to where you can shop freely on my LTK. I have everything listed there. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll check you out in my next video.